Welcome to my channel. The Tesla Model Y has rapidly become one of the most popular electric vehicles, EVs, in the world, blending SUV practicality with cutting-edge technology. In today's review, we'll explore every angle of the Model Y, from its design and performance to the tech features and real-world usability. Whether you're considering switching to electric or just curious about Tesla's compact crossover, this review covers it all. Exterior design and aesthetics. At first glance, the Tesla Model Y carries a clean, futuristic design that is instantly recognizable. It shares many styling cues with the Model 3 sedan, including its smooth front fascia, minimalist lines, and flush door handles. However, the Model Y sits higher off the ground and has a more robust stance, giving it the look of a true crossover SUV. The sloping roofline adds a sporty touch, though it slightly compromises rear headroom compared to boxier rivals. Tesla offers the Model Y in multiple color options, with optional 20-inch induction wheels that enhance its aggressive appeal. Overall, the Model Y strikes a perfect balance between modern aesthetics and aerodynamic efficiency. Interior quality and space. Step inside the Tesla Model Y, and you're greeted by a minimalist cabin that emphasizes technology over tradition. The dashboard is sleek, with a single 15-inch touchscreen controlling nearly every function, from climate control to navigation. While some may miss the physical buttons, the touchscreen is intuitive and frequently updated via over-the-air software. Material quality is decent, though not luxury grade. The synthetic leather seats are comfortable, and the panoramic glass roof makes the cabin feel airy and spacious. With both 5-seat and 7-seat configurations available, the Model Y is family-friendly. The second-row seats slide and recline, and the rear cargo space is among the best in class, offering over 68 cubic feet with the seats folded. Performance and driving experience. Tesla is known for its performance, and the Model Y is no exception. The long-range version offers dual-motor all-wheel drive with an impressive 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 4.8 seconds, while the performance variant cuts that down to a staggering 3.5 seconds. Despite its SUV body, the Model Y handles more like a sports sedan, thanks to a low center of gravity and quick steering. Ride quality is firm but not uncomfortable, making it suitable for both city and highway driving. Regenerative braking is smooth and adjustable, letting drivers enjoy the famous one-pedal driving experience. Tesla's electric motors deliver instant torque, making overtaking and merging effortless. Battery, range, and charging. One of the strongest selling points of the Model Y is its electric range. The long-range variant delivers up to 330 miles on a full charge, EPA estimated, while the performance version gets around 303 miles. These figures make the Model Y one of the longest-range electric SUVs currently available. Charging is equally impressive. Tesla's supercharger network is extensive and reliable, allowing up to 162 miles of range in just 15 minutes at peak rates. Home charging is convenient, too, with the Model Y supporting both 120V and 240V outlets, plus third-party chargers through adapters. Real-world efficiency hovers around 3.5 to 4.0 miles per kilowatt-hour, depending on driving style and climate. Technology and Autopilot. Tech is at the core of every Tesla vehicle, and the Model Y leads in this area. The central touchscreen is the hub of all activity, displaying everything from maps and media to vehicle diagnostics. Voice commands work well, and the mobile app allows remote access, preconditioning, and real-time tracking. Perhaps the most talked-about feature is Tesla's Autopilot, which comes standard with adaptive cruise control and lane keeping. The full self-driving FSD package, available at an extra cost, includes features like Navigate on Autopilot, automatic lane changes, and traffic light recognition. While not truly autonomous yet, Tesla continues to push software updates that bring the vehicle closer to full autonomy. Safety and reliability. The Tesla Model Y is among the safest vehicles on the road. It has received a 5-star overall safety rating from the NHTSA and features a robust structure with a low rollover risk, thanks to its battery placement. Standard safety features include automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, collision warning, and lane departure avoidance. However, reliability is a mixed bag. Early production models had quality control issues, though newer units have seen significant improvement. Tesla's direct-to-consumer model also means that service can be slow or inconsistent in areas without a nearby Tesla service center. Pricing and value. The Tesla Model Y isn't cheap, but it offers a compelling value for what you get. The long-range version starts around $47,000, while the performance model comes in at about $52,000 before incentives or tax credits. When considering its range, tech, and performance, the Model Y remains competitive with both traditional gas SUVs and EV rivals like the Ford Mustang Mach-E or Hyundai Ioniq 5. Tesla also includes software updates for free, so your Model Y gets smarter over time, a rare perk in the automotive industry. Final verdict. The Tesla Model Y is a top contender in the electric SUV market. It offers exceptional range, exhilarating performance, advanced technology, and a spacious interior. While it has some minor drawbacks, like a firm ride and reliance on touch controls, the overall package is hard to beat. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a family driver, or just someone wanting to transition to electric, the Model Y delivers a futuristic and fun driving experience.